Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a campfire s'mores no-bake cheesecake. It's going to have yummy toasted marshmallows, delicious silky smooth chocolate ganache, crunchy graham crackers. It's going to be all around 100% delicious and 100% mess free because the campfire is going to be left outside and you'll be nice and cozy inside enjoying some delicious, yummy s'mores cheesecake. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first step is to get our chocolate ganache nice and ready. So let's go ahead and take our heavy cream, already boiled and steamed and nice and hot. But we're gonna go ahead and pour that over our chocolate chips. Then we're gonna go ahead with a spoon and give that a nice little mix around until it's silky smooth and just the perfect chocolate ganache. Now let's go ahead, set that aside, grab some crushed graham crackers, and to that we're going to go ahead and add in our melted butter. And give that a nice mix until the butter and the graham crackers are nice and fully combined and it kind of looks like a wet sand on a nice beachy day. But no beach because this is a campfire s'mores cheesecake and you don't need cheesecake on a beach, too much sand. We're going to take our crushed graham cracker crust mixture, pour that into our springform pan. And then disperse it evenly and make it nice and flat. You can do that with the back of a measuring cup or a little glass container lid like I'm doing to kind of just make it nice, just a flat, yummy, delicious graham cracker crust. Now let's go ahead and grab our chocolate ganache that we set aside, give it a nice little mix in case it started to set too much, and we're going to pour half of our chocolate ganache over our graham cracker crust. And once you have your chocolate ganache on top of your graham cracker crust, we're going to go ahead and line our springform pan with graham cracker sticks. It's going to give a nice little border to hold in our yummy cheesecake filling. Couple graham crackers here. Couple graham crackers there, and just all the way around with graham cracker sticks. And once you have your springform pan lined with your graham cracker sticks, go ahead and just scoot that over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and to that we're going to go ahead and add in our cream cheese and white sugar. Then with our hand mixer on a high speed, we're going to go ahead and beat our cream cheese and sugar together until they are light and fluffy and nice and just a smooth cheesecake filling batter. There we go. And once you have your nice smooth cheesecake filling, we're going to go ahead and add in our heavy cream. And then back in with our hand mixer and get that nice and combined. And once your batter is back to being nice and smooth, we want to go ahead and add a little tiny teaspoon or a little bit extra of our vanilla. And then we're going to go ahead and stir that vanilla in with our rubber spatula. And once you have your nice, smooth, finished cheesecake filling, we're going to go ahead and pour that into our springform pan on top of our chocolate crust. Well, chocolate ganache, graham cracker crust, so technically it's chocolate crust, but you know the deal. Then we're going to take the rest of our chocolate ganache and pour that on top of our cheesecake filling. And then sprinkle with some delicious marshmallows. Mini marshmallows, regular size marshmallows, jumbo marshmallows, which I couldn't find, so today we're going to be using mini marshmallows. Then we're gonna go ahead, pop this in the freezer for a good, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Enough time to go watch a movie, put it in the freezer, forget about it, maybe set a timer, and then come back and we will take it from there. See you then. So our cheesecake has hung out in the freezer for a little bit, like 2 hours. It's nice and firmed up, it's fully set. So now, before we serve and take it off the springform pan, we're gonna go ahead, set our broiler on, and we're gonna toast these marshmallows. Now if you have a Now if you have a kitchen torch, you can always go ahead and use that to get a nice, really toasted marshmallow. But if you don't, your oven broiler will work just as fine. So let's go ahead, grab our cheesecake, and place that in the broiler for, let's say 15, 20 seconds. Not too much to get the marshmallows to burn, but just enough to have them nice and toasted. So it's been a couple seconds, our marshmallows are nice and toasted, and let's go ahead and remove our springform pan. And slice right into this amazing looking cheesecake. Just a nice little tiny piece. I mean, it's only, it's early, but we can still have some cheesecake. Take a nice little slice. And you are gonna love this cheesecake. I mean, you have the graham cracker crust, the graham cracker sticks, the nice creamy, smooth cheesecake filling with a nice chocolate ganache on top, toasted marshmallows on top of that. Really, you cannot go wrong with this campfire s'mores cheesecake. You will love it. Go make it. Have a slice. Have 2 slices. I won't tell anybody. It's really good. Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. It'll let me know that I'm sharing recipes and making things that you guys are really enjoying. And if you make your own delicious campfire s'mores cheesecake, or your own delicious s'mores inspired dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking in your kitchen. And don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And while you're down there clicking away, giving a thumbs up, subscribing, checking the socials, don't forget to check out the link for the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. We still have that going on, so be sure to check it out. Enter if you haven't already, share it with your friends, have them enter, even if they don't bake, because if they win, they can just give it to you because they're really good friends, why not? And I'm gonna go have some delicious cheesecake, but I will see you all very, very soon. Like tomorrow, we've got a full month of delicious recipes, so definitely ring that bell, and I will see you. I feel like I've said this already 5 times, but I will see you tomorrow. So I'm gonna go. Bye.